You also wrote about a book about Vietnam, right? Traveling in Vietnam. Was it also traveling on a motorbike?
It's how to ride the motorbike in Vietnam.
Okay.
Yeah. So I write this book with my friend Ryan. You met him in Kyrgyzstan 5 years ago, I think.
Yeah.
He's a famous, really famous travel blogger in France. He wrote a lot of book, and we wrote this book together. Is how to ride a motorbike in Vietnam. We give a lot of tips and a lot of information, like how to find the motorbike, what you need to check, how to drive the motorbike, where you can go, how to fix the motorbike. Lot of information. If you want to ride the motorbike in Vietnam, you can find a lot of all of information you need
in the book. What's the name of this
book? We make some video tutorial. It's Voyager au Vietnam à moto. It's travel Vietnam with motorbike.
Motorbike. Like, is it like if our listeners wants to buy it, would they buy it on Amazon or where is it?
It's on our own website.
On gtla.net?
No, it's on voyagemotovietnam.com.
Oh, okay. So
I can send you later.
Okay, sure. Send me a link so we can share. So if anyone who wants to go traveling planning to travel by motorbike in Vietnam, they can purchase your book. And I cannot, I haven't read it, but you are really good at telling the stories. Like you are one of the few people, like whenever we meet, I cannot just stop laughing, you know, like, I don't know. You have so many interesting stories to share. So I'm pretty sure it'll be very interesting to read.
Yeah, and it's a very beautiful book. You see now?
Oh, now it's good. Voyager au Vietnam en moto. Oh, okay, cool.
And because I show you because it's in color and it's very beautiful. You see? Like that.
Nice. Okay, cool. Voyager in Vietnam. Awesome. Send me a link later anyways. I think it'll be easier. Yeah. Do you have a motorbike in France?
No, I'm stupid because I speak about stupid backpacker, but I don't have the license to drive a motorbike. So
what? You need to have you have a driver's license
for car, but not for motorbike. So
so you need to have separate driving license for motorbike and for car.
Yeah, and so in France I can't drive motorbike, and when I travel and ride motorbike, it's not legal. So that's why I drive motorbike in some poor country, because if police ask me about my permit, I can give them some money, like in Vietnam, in Togo, or in Pakistan. It's not like in France. So if you ask, where is your license? I don't have. So give me like 10 or 15 euro. And,
right.
For full episodes, go to solopacker.com.